here, and today I'm going to be doing the third week of my capillary schedule, and that is going to start with obviously my hot oil treatment, then sit under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes, then I will be conditioning my hair and detangling, then I will be washing my hair with shampoo. I'm not going to use the Nexus today because no Jamithacone I used this week, and last... You
filming?
Last week, I'm going to be adding my treatment, which is a repair treatment this week, which means protein. So I'm going to be using rice. I'm going to be using rice water and Briogeo repair, Don't Despair repair mask. And then after that, I'm going to be getting out of the shower, putting on conditioner. Like after I rinse that out, I'm going to get out of the shower, put on conditioner, and leave that on for a couple of hours because I get very lazy. Rinse that out with cold water and then style my hair. So this is my day 8 hair. This is what it looks like since the last capillary schedule wash day I did. My ends are actually pretty good. The only thing that I don't like is there's some curls that like are doing this, and that's probably heat damage, but those are like my longest curls. I did cut some of my hair, like some of the pieces up here had like a little tiny bit of heat damage, and that's why I bring my scissors with me on wash day, because I really like to just cut it off and get rid of it. The only reason why I'm not getting rid of these, because I realized last minute I did do a measuring video where I measured my hair, and I'm scared of my hair being shorter than that, especially because this is like a growth challenge.
Update, my hair is way longer than what it was, so I was good.
I just think it's going to kind of mess up my results, or some things might be the same length because I cut them. So other than that, let's just get on with this video and all that good stuff. So enough of me talking.
So I'm starting off with a hot oil treatment, and this is the stuff I normally bring with me every wash day besides the shampoo, conditioner. Those kind of change, but I have all my oils, and this is very detailed so you really know what I'm doing here, but I use all these oils in my hair, and this is my shampoo and conditioner I use, and obviously my scissors for wash day. I always start with like a container, and I empty my old bottle from last week oils into my new bottle, and that's so the oils they're more fermented, and I always add it to the next week's oil. So I empty all the bottles of oil into one vial, and I just try and do that. Then I take my coconut oil and I put it under hot water, and so that melts. Then I use the back of a rat tail comb and I just mix it up, and then you see I add the coconut oil. I had to melt it a little bit more, but yeah, this is what my day 8 hair is looking like. This is what it always looks like. Only issue I have with this is I get a lot of fairy knots, but other than that, it's pretty good. I'm so happy to say that my capillary schedule right now currently is over, and my hair is super long. Like, I haven't seen it this long in years, so I'm really happy about that. But the first thing I like to do is I take water and I wet my scalp so that it could just cause more of a heat steamy thing once I already put the cap on. But I put my oils on my ends. I always separate the back of my hair together, then the sides of my hair, and I spray it with water. Then I apply the oils on top. This is going to soften my hair and make it very manageable and easy to detangle and all that good stuff. So I just put the oils on my hair and then massage it in, and I really work it in. I really like to make sure my ends are soaked in oil, so I always dip them in to the oil container just so they're really soaked. After I put it on all my strands, I really like to make sure I got it on the back part of my hair because I miss that a lot. Then I pour the rest of the oils on my scalp and massage it in just for a little bit. I don't like scalp massages. That's why I don't really dwell on them too much. I don't know, I just don't like doing them. It feels like a chore more than anything. Next, I put my hair into a bun on top of my head because that's where the heat is for my Conair hooded dryer. And I sing some songs, obviously. But I make sit under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes. After I'm done, I shower it out. So I just let the water run on my hair for a little bit just to get most of the oils just like out, most of them. Then I add conditioner to my hair. This conditioner and those oils mixed together so well. Then I take rice water and I pour it on my scalp as I detangle my hair. This is going to sit, marinate, and this is all the hair I lost from detangling. So I'm going to rinse that out. As you can see, my hair is getting so long. This is not even like fully stretched. Like, that's insane. I definitely do need a haircut, like really, really badly, because my ends are looking a little like thin. Like, not really that noticeable to other people, but noticeable to me, and I just want to really make them a lot more fuller. So I might start cutting my hair every 2 to 3 months. But I'm just basking in my long hair right now. It's not breaking off. It's just really healthy and happy. After I apply the Don't Despair Repair Protein Mask, because it's the protein week of my capillaries, I let that basically sit for like 10 minutes, and then I rinse it out, and Mariah's gonna take it from here.
Hello, so I'm back. I detangled my hair. I shampooed. I'm not sure if I like that shampoo as much anymore since there's no lather. It didn't, I don't know, and it made my hair kind of feel like a little bit hard. So I'm really glad that I'm done with it and I'm over with that shampoo bottle. And then next I added the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mask. I used it all, so I threw the rest away. And then all that good stuff. So now my hair is drying a little bit. And then I'm gonna add conditioner, let it sit for a little bit while I do some other stuff, and then rinse it out. This is how my hair is looking after the protein treatment, and I just rinsed it out. I would love to one day just like leave my hair like this, but you see my hair is not as shiny as last week since I did shampoo my hair. It's just like normal, and I like it. I really like how it did my baby hair. That literally did that. Like, they look cute. This is it from the side, and then this is it from the back. How long it is, it's getting so long. Honestly, I'm not too mad about the way it's looking. I would love to just wear my hair out like this, but as soon as I put product on my hair, it just doesn't act like this anymore. So I use the Alba Botanica conditioner as always. I don't really stray away from this conditioner because it does really, really well for my hair, but I'm going to just apply it. So I'm gonna angle you so you can see me because I'm gonna be right here. I apply it. Like, I want, I know I told you guys I want my curls here, but now that they're here, I want them like, I want this black thick part, which used to only be up here last year. Now it's like down here. I want this like black thick part to be like here, you know, next year. I noticed with the capillary schedule, my hair has gotten so much thicker, honestly. Like, just the thickness by itself is amazing. Okay, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with my hair, but this is how it's looking after I rinsed out the conditioner. It's really long, honestly. It's like right here. It's like right above my butt. This side. It's really, really long. Really happy with it. This is pretty much it for today's capillary schedule thing. Not sure what I'm going to do with my hair, honestly, because I don't really want to do that same wash and go, but at the same time I kind of feel like I should because I'm curl training my hair still. But other than that, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and other than that, peace out.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with whoever wants to grow their